Finally. How's it going, guys? Chris here on the Supercar Suspects. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. We are back at it here in the trap house. Andre! There he is, the man himself. We got Ali behind the camera. You guys can probably tell by the title and the thumbnail. Today we are installing the Seibon carbon fiber hood that's sitting in my living room for the last 2 weeks. The coilovers are coming sometime next week, so unfortunately we gotta set that for next week, but this week we got the carbon hood. It's gonna look super sick with the red accents, black accents everywhere. The whole theme of this car is red and carbon, if I haven't told you guys already. So let's get to it. Let's do it, guys. We got a special delivery for the Supercar Suspects. Oh baby, oh baby. Obviously it's carbon fiber. I can easily hold this up by myself.
Whoa.
Carbon fiber, baby. The power of carbon. Alright, let's do this in the sunlight again so we can see this beautiful Pagani weave.
Pagani weave.
Or you got Koenigsegg this time.
Ooh.
The essentials. I'm pretty sure we're going to be needing all of this stuff. But now, for the moment of truth. Hopefully there's no dents or anything in this. I mean, people have gotten reports like we get our Seibon products with dents in the corners, but wish me luck that there's nothing wrong with this because I have not opened it yet. It has been very tempting to open this in the last 2 weeks. It's just been sitting in my living room in a huge box. Unfortunately, we had to take it out of the box because it would not fit in Ali's car. So we took it out. This is how it comes, fully A1 wrappage, A1 protection.
For the day one.
Shout out Seibon for the protection. I have not yet seen this, so we'll see my genuine reaction. Now remember guys, when you guys are cutting, always cut towards yourself, so if you like slip, you cut your finger off instead of missing it to the air, because that's just a waste. They protect us more than the Secret Service protects the president. Now if this is your first time watching my install videos, my name is Chris once again, and every time we unveil something, we gotta throw the Zelda theme song and then open the chest, so... God.
Whoa.
God damn.
That's so sick.
First step, we gotta get the hood off. We chose a very hot day to do this. Once again, 80 degrees outside. This California weather, it's like 40 degrees one day, 80 degrees the next day. First step is getting these things off, this little underneath part. And then we can take the water lines out that connect to the little spraying thingy-majigga, I forgot what it's called. And once that's done, we can take the latches off. This is a pretty quick and simple install. Literally taking bolts off, putting it to the side, holding the new one on, bolting it together, and then we should be done. And then we're gonna go do a little photo shoot afterwards. This came off pretty easily. I figured out we don't have to take these bolts actually out. Those are for like the vents and the hood. So this should just pop out at this point. 80 degrees outside, no air in this garage, and my engine bay is extremely hot. Not a good day for this.
Hey, but at least it matches your car. Ooh.
This is true. This
Ooh.
is true.
Black and red action.
There we go.
I just did a thing, finito. Hey.
If you have an Evo X and you guys are wondering how this comes out, it's pretty simple. You literally just pull these lines out of here and then you pop them out from the other side. So we got the water line just hanging right here. Take these off, and then the latches are pretty simple. 1, 2, 1, 2. The hood is off. Someone commented, they're like, the guy that wrapped your trunk is probably crying right now because they wrapped it literally for no reason. It was probably on for like 12 hours, but yeah. So same thing with the hood. Same thing with the hood. Andre, I'm gonna need your help to hold this up. It's about to come off. Using a 13 to take this off. Bolt falls into the engine bay. I will never see it again. And there will be no carbon hood install.
Teamwork makes the dream work here, guys. You know, we got Andre, we got Chris doing the work.
That's right. Yeah, you definitely need like 2 to 3 people for this job, especially if you have someone filming. 3 people would be nice. Okay. Yeah, the carbon hood is definitely lighter than this, but there's not much of a difference. I think it's just for the look.
Oh.
All right.
In the pool.
Ready, Drake?
Let's go.
1, 2, and... Okay, the moment of truth. I'm gonna flip this around. Wait, no, wrong way. Wrong way.
What are you doing?
Flip this bad boy like this. Okay. by far the quickest install I've ever done in my entire life. They come with the latches, so like unlike the trunk, you don't have to switch them out. This one just comes with it, easy to go. You literally bolt 2 bolts on and you are done. Now it's time for the water lines. Just throw the shorter one to the closer end, and the longer one to the longer end. And then unlike my OEM hood, I'm not going to be putting the little heat shield on it. I don't think we will. So like the OEM one, I just figured out you can't even put the heat shield on because there's no little like area for a clip. So I mean, I don't think there's going to be a problem with the heat. We've ran into a little problem of course we have to run into a problem. Nothing will ever go smoothly. These do not fit. So I guess there's a little problem with the Seibon ones. They come too small. So I guess you have to sand it out from the inside so it doesn't like mess with the carbon. And then it should fit perfectly flush because there's no way this is going in here. So we've came to the conclusion, instead of actually messing with the carbon fiber hood because that's way more expensive than the little lines itself, we're going to take this and we're going to try to like shed off the sides of it. And he has like a little heat gun. I don't know what it's called. We're going to try to melt
solder gun, so you can
What's
melt
it called?
plastic. Solder gun.
Solder gun. So we're going to try to melt a little bit of the sides, and then that way it could probably
custom fit out of it.
It could fit. Is it working?
Yeah, see?
So we got to melt it, I guess, all the way around so it fits in. What's this called? The solder gun?
Soldering gun, yeah.
I have never seen this before.
Well, that's how you connect the wires, bro.
Ah. So now while Andre cuts away at the little water hose sprinkler type thingy, I'm gonna clean my engine bay. Look how dusty this is. I have not cleaned this since the day I got the car. Yeah, this could use a little cleanage, and then we will do the hood reveal. After 45 minutes, we got it to sit flush. And that's just one. I'm even melting it, scraping with a knife. Oh my god, 45 minutes later. Alright, I touched a little hot needle thing, and my hand is on fire. Ooh, that shit's hot.
That's what she said.
That was bad. Now this stings even more. Chris not being a baby. I just touched like 1,000-degree metal pipe. Can you see it? Yeah, you can. It's right here. You guys, there's gonna be a huge blister in a minute. I'll show you guys. We're gonna put a little bit of glue in here just so it sticks and sits flush on the outside, but we got both of them in now. Andre, I want to see my hood already. How much longer? If these don't work after all this work, then what was the point?
Let me fix it.
Now the moment we've all been waiting for. Andre, should we do the honors?
Yeah, let's do the honors, bro.
Let's do the honors.
Ooh.
Wait. Bro,
Yo.
look at this carbon weaving. Bro, look how sharp, bro. These accents can kill someone. That's how sharp they are. Now, what's even more important than the carbon hood is if the water actually works. Did we put in all this work for nothing or no? Let's see if it works.
Let's go!
Good shit. Andre, props to Andre for all that. He did everything. Me and Andre just thought about this. Could this be black? Should we do this black? I want your comments down below. Come on, let's check it out closely. Should we do these black? It would kind of look better. I'm planning on keeping the hood full carbon fiber. I'm not wrapping it red and leaving the carbon fiber accents. I'm leaving it carbon. I love how it looks. It's going to match with the carbon fenders when you guys see the reveal of those very, very soon. Probably a few more weeks until those come. So, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Shout out to the legend himself. Woo! Letting us use the trap cabin. Shout out Ali for recording. Thank you, my man. And that's about it. Pretty quick and simple install. Sorry for the short video. But tomorrow, we got the test pod. We got the vortex generators, shift knob. We got a bunch of little stuff in there also. And then my coilovers should be sometime next week. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will see you guys in tomorrow's video.